Okay guys, so let's talk about this. Okay guys, so let's talk about this. This is cucumber and tuna fish sandwich. Yes, I know it's not the norm on bread. So I want to do away with bread for a minute because that's my weakness, guys. Bread. I don't know who else has that issue, bread, the weakness, but not any kind of bread. Good bread, not garbage bread. So I want to try something. And guys, I tried this yesterday, making it again today, so I have to share with you guys. It is so good. Now, if you see how I made the tuna, you see? This tuna is so good. And I was really never been a tuna person, but this, I found that vegan mayo and it did it. And give it a try, guys. Now, let's try these babies out. This is so good. Food's here, just sharing with you guys. Now my background is really noisy, and I'm sorry about that, guys. Kids are home today, doing laundry, so I'm sorry. This I have to share with you guys. Go try it. So I'm gonna try another one, but go and try this. Make it and tell me what you think. So most of my ingredients I got them from Trader Joe's. The turmeric, the nori. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Let me enjoy this bread. So good. Hold on. All right, guys. So most of the ingredients I got from Trader Joe's. My nori season, my nutritional yeast, the vegan mayo, and my turmeric. Now, you don't have to use all these ingredients if you don't want to. You can use whatever you want. It's up to you, but this is how I made it, and it's so good. I was trying to find another alternative way to make tuna fish that I can enjoy it, because I had stopped eating for a long time because I don't like the other mayo that has the eggs in it. And this one is really good, doesn't have the eggs in it. So give it a try if you're a person looking for alternative to making tuna sandwiches and not using the other mayo and using mayo without eggs. This is what I try, and it's so good. And I can't even eat anymore right now to show you guys because I'm so full. And look at that. That is cucumber and tuna, and it's full because you know tuna is high in protein. So good. And again, guys, I am so sorry for my background noise. Like I said, the kids are home. And guess what they're watching? Been watching Stranger Things. Okay, guys. Till next time with Jan. Bye.